Hey, what's up, Saitama coin holders? Many congratulations, my brothers, because in this video I have a two good news is for all of you. This is very important for all of you to understand, my friend. But please, if you are new my channel and if you want to earn money from crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Kindly click the red button and subscribe. My friend, this time you can see the Saitama price is 0.70246, yes, 706418 USD dollar and 0.68% Saitama price we are increasing from last 24 hours. My friend, this time all currency prices were very badly dumped down because from the end of month, especially short-term investors, they are starting selling. So therefore, all currencies prices were dumped down. But Saitama will not dump down. So I think it's really good news, my friend, for all of you. To Saitama is also, my friend, starting moving upward more and more. My friend, here if we check out the Saitama market cap, so 2 billion, and you can say fully diluted market cap, so 6 billion, and my friend, you can say 1.07% decrease now. So the volume you can see here 82 billion, and you can see 14.47% decrease now. Alright, so my friend, that's really good news, my friend, for all of you. To see a thermal price will more increase now after, my friends, the 5th November, my friends. Definitely the very huge explosion is coming soon, because when a short time investors stop selling, my friend, and they are starting holding, so 100%, my friend, is the price will increasing. So therefore, as you can see, they will never moving upward from resistance line very long time, but absolutely they will recover the all loss. So therefore, I am so happy to they will recover all the loss and get a profit. Kindly holders, you will also need to start holding, and if you are starting holding, then I hope, my friends, in upcoming time Saitama price will more and more increase and give you a very good profit. So therefore, I will notify you to don't miss this chance to take a risk and get 100% profit. Please starting holding and buying more and more. I hope Saitama will make you a millionaire. See you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.